The share price of grocery store operator Boxer jumped by 16% on its debut listing on the JSE main board this morning. This after institutional investors purchased shares at the pre-listing stage amounting to 8.5 billion rand in the initial public offering. In that process, the shares were initially priced at 54 rand a piece, but jumped to over 63 rand once today's morning listing took place. So what's all the fuss about and what are the plans for its future? I'm joined by Marek Masojada. He's the CEO of Boxer. Thanks very much, sir.
Hi,
Thanks very much for joining.
Good afternoon, Nampo. Pleased to meet you and thank you for having me.
Super.
Yeah, it's been a really exciting day in the history of Boxer. Our 47-year-old company has come of age today as we join the main board of the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. It's been a great morning of celebration, and yes, we've been really excited by the level of interest in Boxer from the investor community, which we've seen play out in the lead up to today, and obviously very happy with the performance so far.
Yes.
Thank you.
So part of the reason for spinning out Boxer out of Pick n Pay is because, of course, Pick n Pay has not been having the best of times and is trying to turn itself around. So in terms of the funds that you raised today, are they going to be applied partly to Pick n Pay and partly as well to the future of Boxer as well?
Yeah, absolutely. Today marks the second step in a two-step recapitalization strategy that Sean Summers has implemented for Pick n Pay. First, the rights offer that was successfully completed a few months ago, and today the listing of Boxer. So yes, the funds raised today are being channeled back through to Pick n Pay and put them in an extremely strong position, being able to pay down their debt and have money on their balance sheets in order to fund their turnaround. But from a Boxer point of view, this wasn't about a capital raise. We're taking the opportunity with the high profile of our Boxer brand and sort of coming out of the shadows into the mainstream at what the benefits can be brought to our Boxer brand in terms of our future expansion opportunities.
Yeah. Marek, I wanted to ask you, what is the nature of the competition that Boxer faces in the peri-urban and rural markets where, it's expected to expand predominantly?
Yeah, we operate in the most competitive space within the market. That's the value conscious consumer who's always looking for more value and to stretch their rands further. We operate against many different players in that segment of the market. The biggest in the market, the likes of Shoprite and Spar, Usave, and many independents as well. But over the course of our history, Boxer's grown from a 5-store operation back in the early 90s up to over 500 stores today. We've been able to find our place, find our niche within the market, and obviously win a place in the hearts of our consumers.
I'm curious, to what extent are you planning to have spaza shops doing their purchases from Boxer?
Yeah, an interesting question. Boxer a while ago developed an online portal specifically aimed at the informal market, and it gives them the ability to purchase products from us online and either collect from their nearest Boxer store or we would deliver to their location. So yes, whilst we don't formally play in the space at a retail level, we use our infrastructure across South Africa to be able to serve that market.
All right, Marek, we're going to leave it there. All the very best. Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was Marek Masojada. He's the CEO of Boxer.